I say up, you say. If I say left, you say. If I say stop, you say. So you all have oppositional defiance disorder. You realize that, right?
Yes.
We're oppositional human beings, but we live in the world that we're not. I've never done a workshop where initially when I say that, or a keynote when I say that, if I say up, everybody says down. I've never actually had one time where somebody actually said up. I've never had a keynote or a workshop when I started, I would say left, and everybody says right, and one person says left. If I ever meet that person, I'm going to go up to them afterwards and find out who they are and what they've done in their life to get them outside of the pattern of being oppositional. Does that make sense? Like, I'll show you another way that we're oppositional. Ready? Before I mention anything, like right now, just curious, I'm going to say something, but did anybody here have any desire to raise both your hands in the air? Okay, you didn't feel the stretching. All right, good. From this point on, you're not allowed to because I said so. What do you guys think? That was good. She wanted this. She's like, "Where's my glasses?" Oh, there you go. There you go. It's at the singing, and there you go. She's like, woo, woo!